Hey teachers, Brian Davis here. Today we're talking about 3 applications that are going to help you help your students during our difficult times with their reading. Yes, taking reading to a completely different level. Stay tuned, wait for the intro, and if you've not subscribed, be sure you subscribe as soon as possible so I can continue to provide you with real high quality information. Number 1, teachers, you need to take a look right through your local library, whether it's your city library or your county library. We're talking about a program known as Overdrive. Overdrive connects public libraries throughout the United States and gives you free content. We're talking about audio books, digital books, things for Kindle, PDF files, and in audio form, all of these things available to you, and more importantly, to your students. There has never been a more important time to keep your students engaged with digital products, things that can be taken right to their phones or to their Chromebooks or, if necessary, to a mainframe computer. These things are necessary right now. Check out Overdrive. Number 2, you've got to take a look at a program available online, a phenomenal resource called the Gutenberg Project. Yes, you heard it here first. The Gutenberg Project takes all types of literature, and we're talking about classics of literature, history books, philosophers, you name it, and puts everything online available to you. And of course, what's really important about this, the fact that you have all of these resources that are copyable. You can duplicate them, you can send them on out to your students free of charge. You heard it here first, free of charge. You must take a look at the Gutenberg Project. It's something that I've used exclusively in my classroom various times to help my students with digital content. So, Gutenberg Project, definitely worth looking into. The final thing we're talking about today is a reading resource. Yes, folks, something that's going to help your students, particularly with anything that's being sent over in a PDF, any kind of a Kindle type of a product. You've got to take a look at an app called VoiceDream. What does VoiceDream do? Well, it's simple. It helps students that might be struggling with reading to listen by sending over a PDF to VoiceDream. You choose the voice you want to hear it in, and VoiceDream will read right to you. Whether you're on the go, whether you're at home, whether you're reading along in a book, whether you're using the PDF of that book and you need that extra voice so you can hear it and help you comprehend, VoiceDream is the app that I recommend. I exclusively use it with my digital library, and I'm here to say, folks, it is a difference maker. It'll help you as an educator. It will also help your students out a ton. So remember, today we talked about 3 really important audio and reading comprehension programs. We spoke about Overdrive, the ability to connect with all different types of literature sources right at your fingertips. We've talked about number 2, the Gutenberg Project. And the third thing, of course, was this whole concept called VoiceDream, an app that reads PDF files to you. And folks, once again, my name's Brian Davis. Please help feed Charlie. Click and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Once again, here to help you take your game to the next level. Thank you.